Hey, we're gonna do a live application of October's breast cancer awareness strips. How cute are these, right? So I'm just gonna show you how I did these really fast. So in your package, you'll get a little prep pad. Sorry, that's upside down. There you go. I have to do this upside down so that you can see. You clean off your nails. Get around the edges really well. And then you simply start to apply. You size the strips, they're 16 in. You size the strips to fit your nail. I've already picked mine out that I know fit. And you remove the clear cover. This is Color Street. There are no heat or tools required. Just what comes in the package, which are your strips, an alcohol pad, and a little file. You butt it up right in front of your cuticle, not touching the skin. And then you simply push it down. If there's any excess on the sides, right here, it's a little big. You can push those under, or you can take a cuticle pusher or your fingernail and just cut that right off, just like so. So then once you have it applied, if you mess up, you can pull it up and reapply it. That's just the edge that's trash. But you get it all smoothed down with no wrinkles, no air bubbles. And then you just take your file and file in a downward motion. I take the center off, come to the edge, file across, and then work my way around. And then the excess just comes off. If it gets on your table, it's okay. It's not gonna stick. It'll peel right off. And then that is just that excess that I pinched off with my thumb. One nail down. Let's move to the pointer finger. Again, you just cut, I'm just gonna leave this little mess right there and show you. Take the clear cover off. Silver strip. This is your polish. The rest is trash. Butt it up right against your cuticle, but not on the cuticle. And then gently push down. The excess, if there's any, then you just push it down. Cut it off. You can use a cuticle pusher for that as well. My fingers are a little cold, so it's bubbling. Just like so. And then file in a downward motion. No heat or tools required. Simply put it on and push. And that's it. Nail number 2 is down. If you get any little smushes on the edges, just give it a small little push. If you're interested in the breast cancer strips, there is a link in my bio to order, and these are available on the website right now. I have several family members, some that have fought the battle and won, and some that have not been so fortunate. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. Oh, sorry, I got out of screen. I wasn't watching. And done. Oops. Spilled my polish, no worries. Just pushing those outside edges down where my fingers are cold. Got a little extra right here. And done. Last but not least, it's Pinky. Little extra, pinch that off with my thumb. Oh, oh, that's okay. And finish off by filing. And finished. Breast cancer manicure. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Oh gosh. Maybe.